Look up. Your eyes trace the jagged line where stone meets sky. In those high, lonely places, a true monarch of the wilderness roams. This is the grizzly bear. It is a creature of immense strength, surprising intelligence, and profound importance. Its presence defines the very essence of wildness. To understand the grizzly is to understand the raw, untamed heart of North America. It is a symbol of what we have and what we stand to lose. The story of this great bear is etched into the landscape itself, a tale of survival, power, and resilience that commands our deepest respect and attention. The very name Grizzly conjures images of raw power and untamable spirit. It is a name earned from the silver or grizzled tips of its thick brown fur, which can shimmer in the alpine sun. The grizzly bear does not simply live in the wild, it inhabits a vast and sprawling kingdom. Its traditional domain stretches across the rugged landscapes of North America. You can find this magnificent bear roaming the immense territories of Alaska and Western Canada. Smaller, more isolated populations also hold on in the lower 48 states. They find refuge in places like Yellowstone National Park, Glacier National Park, Wyoming, and Montana. These are not just random locations on a map. They are the last great strongholds where the grizzly can live as it has for millennia, a testament to the need for wide, open spaces. A grizzly's home is a mosaic of different environments. It needs dense forests of pine and fir for cover and for digging its winter den. It requires sprawling alpine meadows, where it can forage for tender roots and bulbs in the spring. It thrives near roaring rivers and quiet streams. These become vital corridors of life during the annual salmon runs. The bear's life is a continuous journey across this varied terrain, a seasonal migration driven by food and knowledge passed down through generations. Space is the single most critical element for a healthy grizzly population. A single male grizzly can have a home range that covers hundreds of square miles. He is a constant wanderer, covering vast distances in his search for food and mates. This need for room brings the bear into direct contact with the expanding human world. Roads, towns, farms slice through their ancient territories, creating invisible walls that fragment habitat and isolate populations. Understanding this need for unbroken wilderness is the first step toward appreciating the challenges bears face today. The land shapes the bear, and the bear shapes the land. Its movements follow the contour of mountains and the flow of rivers. It knows every berry patch, every squirrel midden, and every promising fishing spot within its territory. This intimate knowledge is the key to its success. For the grizzly, the landscape is a larder, a nursery, and a sanctuary. Protecting the grizzly means protecting complete ecosystems, from the highest peak to the lowest valley floor. Imagine the silence of a pre-dawn forest, broken by a twig. A massive shape moves through the gloom, the grizzly, beginning its day. The grizzly bear is For most of its adult life, the grizzly is solitary, a master of its own domain. Solitude helps exploit widely spread resources. Encounters are tense and carefully managed. They communicate with posture, vocalizations, and scent marking. A clawed trunk signals, "This is my space." A mother's bond is the exception, devoted and fiercely protective. Her cubs learn by watching and by play that prepares them for life. Despite their size, grizzlies can hit 35 miles per hour, faster than a human. Speed serves hunting and defense. They are powerful swimmers and sure-footed in mountains. Lowered heads and averted eyes show submission. A direct stare and raised hackles warn. Huffs, grunts, and jaw pops keep peace without fighting. Most disputes end with distance. The grizzly is more than a predator. It is a keystone species. Dragging salmon into forests spreads marine nutrients that feed trees and entire food webs. Their digging aerates earth, mixes nutrients, and creates openings where new plants take root. Bioturbation keeps meadows healthy and diverse. Bears consume fruit, roam widely, and plant seeds in their droppings. They plant the next generation of berry bushes. As top omnivores, they help regulate herbivores and prevent overgrazing. By scavenging, they recycle nutrients and can reduce disease spread. Their presence keeps herds mobile. Where grizzlies thrive, you find clean water and expansive forests, and a rich diversity of life. Their decline warns that the system is in trouble. Protecting grizzlies preserves the integrity of wild places. They are guardians of wilderness. Their fate is linked to the mountains, rivers, and forests. Today, the monarch of the mountains faces a precarious future. The primary threat is the loss and fragmentation of its habitat. As we expand, roads, towns, industries, vast, unbroken landscapes are carved up. Encroachment shrinks their world and increases conflict. A bear that learns easy meals from people, garbage, pet food, campsites, is a bear in danger. It may be relocated or destroyed. Conservation is a complex puzzle of scientists, governments, and local communities. Education is crucial. Secure all attractants, make noise on trails, carry bear spray, and know how to use it. These practices show respect and keep people and bears safe. Protecting and connecting habitats with wildlife corridors prevents isolation and preserves genetic diversity. Forward-thinking design builds a future for bears and people. Coexistence is a shared landscape and our responsibility. Support conservation. Behave responsibly in the wild. Foster a culture of respect, so the grizzly's shadow falls across the high country for centuries to come.